Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to go over Webtalk. It's a social media platform I discovered. Now here we're looking at my profile, and this is the powerful cool thing about Webtalk. You could post multiple links inside your profile and make them viewable. Alright, now I got my email here, my YouTube channel, and if I wanted to add more links, I could just simply click on this pencil and then add another website, and I could add my blog as well too. So let me go over here, just copy and paste my blog, and just go back and add it. Right, see, so I could, that's one more website I added. All right, and so you could fill out the about me. You could either put a video up as well too. Yeah, right. You just save that. All right, now you could go click on connections. You could invite more people, get notifications. You could send out messages to different people as well too. Right, now you go, let's see, already been in a couple days. I already have 8 profile views. You could go to the news feed, and this is what I posted so far. You could enter in hashtags as well. All right, and you could also get, like I said, you get paid for liking and sharing other people's content. And now I'm gonna go over the referral program. All right. And this is what I earned so far. I only been in this like couple days or 2 or 3 days, and I haven't really done anything other than what I've been doing on other social media platforms, just posting videos and posting my content. Now, if you click on the get referrals links, this is where you get your invite link, your website link, and this is where all the excitement begins. You could start making money by referring people. All right. You could become a pro member and earn on 5 different levels, 5 levels down. All right. Now, if you go down, let's see. Right. So here's the earnings calculator. It's not guaranteed. It's just what's possible if you uh, recruit more people. The maximum points you could earn is 3,100. So if I just type that in and then 100,000 influencer points. All right, and then this is say if you're a big recruiter, you could get like 10 as average. But if you say you recruited like 50 people into the program and they all did 100,000 points combined, let's see. And what percent of your referrals will upgrade their free account to pro? Just put 1%. And people how many people will your referrals invite? Let's do about 5. And this is what you could earn per month. If this is just conservative numbers too. So a lot of people invite more than that. So say you're not really good at recruiting, you could only recruit like or invite 10 people, and you can still earn $78,266 per month. So as you could see, This is a great side income app opportunity, or you could do it as your main source of income as well too. Right. And if you are interested in becoming a free member, you create your free account by clicking on the link below. Don't forget don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.